Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Islamic University of Madinah Scholarships 2025. This is a great opportunity for international students seeking high quality education in both Islamic and scientific fields, all within the blessed city of Madinah. Let's explore what this scholarship offers and how you can apply. The Islamic University of Madinah was founded in 1961. This university is a globally recognized institution dedicated to providing high quality education in both Islamic and scientific studies. Located in one of the holiest cities, this university is a hub for knowledge, academic excellence, and spiritual growth. Every year, it welcomes students from all over the world, offering them a unique and enriching educational experience. Islamic University of Madinah Scholarship is a fully funded program designed to support outstanding students from across the globe. Whether you aspire to study Islamic disciplines or scientific fields, this scholarship is your gateway to a world-class education free of cost. Imagine studying in an environment that nurtures both your academic and spiritual growth. This is your chance. This prestigious scholarship covers everything you need to focus entirely on your studies. Here is what you get. Full tuition fee coverage, say goodbyes to financial worries, a monthly stipend helping you manage your daily expenses, free accommodation, live comfortably on campus, airfare ticket, travel covered when you join and upon graduation, medical care, access to university hospital services, cafeteria meals, delicious and affordable food options, extracurricular activities, engage in sports, social events, and more. This scholarship is designed to give you a peace of mind, allowing you to focus on your academic journey. So who can apply? Here is what you need to qualify. You must be a Muslim male. You should be between 17 and 25 years old if you are applying for a bachelor. A high school diploma or equivalent is required. A minimum of 80% academic performance is preferred. You must be physically and mentally fit and sound. You should uphold Islamic morals and follow university regulation. You must not have been dismissed from any Saudi institution before. If you meet these requirements, this scholarship could be yours. The Islamic University of Madinah offers diverse program in Islamic and scientific discipline. You can choose from Islamic studies, Sharia, Hadith, Quran, science, and Dawah. Science and engineering fields, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering, computer science and information technology, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. No matter your passion, Islamic University of Madinah has a program that aligns with your academic and career goals. To apply successfully, make sure you prepare the following documents: a scanned copy of your passport, high school certificate and transcripts, your birth certificate, a certificate of conduct, character certificate, a recent medical report issued within the last 6 months, a recommendation letter from a recognized Islamic authority, recent passport-sized photos, proof of English or Arabic proficiency. Having these documents ready and properly scanned will smoother your application process. Ready to apply? Here is how you do it. Visit the official Islamic University of Madinah website and submit your online application. Upload all required documents in the correct format. Your application will be reviewed by the university. Shortlisted applicants may be interviewed. If selected, you will receive an admission letter. Proceed with the visa process and prepare for your journey. The process is straightforward. Just follow each step carefully. Mark your calendars. The scholarship application cycle follow this timeline. Application open expected in mid 2025. Last date to apply expected by late 2025. Result announcement expected to be early 2026. Classes begin in the mid of 2026. Keep checking the official website for exact dates. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Here are some frequently asked questions about the Islamic University Madinah scholarship. Question number 1 is, can female apply for this scholarship? Answer is no. Currently, it is only open to male students. Question number 2. Do I need know Arabic before applying? Answer is no worries. Non-Arabic speakers will go through a preparatory Arabic program. Question number 3. Can I apply without a recommendation letter? Answer is no. It's a mandatory requirement for your application. Question number 4. What is selection rate for this scholarship? Answer is it is highly competitive but strong applicants. If you need more information, please visit official website. The link is in description. You can also contact them through their email. The email address is also in description. The Islamic University of Madinah Scholarship is an unparalleled opportunity to receive top tier education while being immersed in the spiritual atmosphere of Medina. If you meet the criteria, don't hesitate. Apply today. Invest in your future, expand your knowledge, and become part of an elite academic and spiritual community. This is your moment. Seize it.